Rachel, thank you so much, everyone, for being on this important call. I've been scrolling through the gallery, and it's truly a group of luminaries, people who are doing incredible work in our community each and every day, addressing this pandemic, and now partnering to get the vaccine to those who want it and need it, and we need to move forward. And thanks to you, we are making great progress. So I'm grateful to all of you. I want to acknowledge other colleagues from the County Commission that I saw in the gallery. We have Commissioner Eileen Higgins, Commissioner Danielle Cohen-Higgins, in addition to, I was going to say Chairwoman, Rebecca Sosa. I don't know if there are others. I did not see them yet. We are expecting others to join. So this is a partnership for the most vulnerable in our community, starting with our 65 plus years old residents and our healthcare workers. And I want to make sure everybody understands, if you didn't already, we are truly in an emergency situation. This is not business as usual. This is a crisis for our community. We have activated our Office of Emergency Management to coordinate vaccine distribution countywide. We're going to give you an update on how we are handling this emergency in coordination with all of the partners and others, all of those who are on the call. Truly all hands on deck to get shots in the arms without delay of those 65 plus and our healthcare workers in our community. As county mayor, my top priority is to bring all of these organizations, these agencies together, the cities, so that we can have a vaccine distribution plan with one table, facilitate coordination and communication, make sure the public has access to good and clear information, which is what they are seeking, and to distribute these vaccines as quickly as we possibly can to those who need it the most. As of this week, we have already been able to vaccinate over 30,000 people in Miami-Dade County. And just today, Jackson was able to schedule over 12,000 additional appointments for seniors 65 plus. We have heard loudly and clearly from our seniors that you are ready for the vaccine. That is the very good news. The demand is much greater than the supply currently available. So please know we are doing everything in our power to distribute these vaccines safely and efficiently as we continue the massive effort to get these vaccines into the nearly 500,000 people over 65 years in our community with great urgency. As we get more supplies, we will make them available as fast as possible, working with this network that we have established. So at the county level, in county government, we are focused on getting to the most vulnerable and the hardest to reach residents. That includes seniors who live in our public housing and people with special needs. As we speak here today, our telephone callers are reaching out to these to schedule vaccine appointments for them. And additionally, we are convening and coordinating with all public and private partners, including the leaders on this call, to distribute vaccines to the community as quickly and as efficiently as possible. All of us understand that we have different but equally important roles to play in getting our population vaccinated as we follow the state guidelines to distribute vaccines to healthcare workers and seniors over 65. We've also provided a one-stop information hub, miamidade.gov/vaccine, and this provides real-time updates to the public on where the vaccine is available and how they can register. This website is also available in Spanish and Haitian Creole. You can visit miamidade.gov/vacuna or miamidade.gov/vaccin to access the information in both languages. We're also working with the state of Florida to explore making drive-through vaccinations available at testing locations such as Hard Rock Stadium, and others. And we'll be sharing updates as they become available. Our goal is to ramp up to be able to provide tens of thousands of vaccines weekly, countywide, but activating more of these large-scale distribution sites and by working closely with our hospitals, our clinics, the Department of Health, and our cities. And I want to address the many important concerns about how we are ensuring that vaccines are distributed equitably and fairly across Miami-Dade County, and how we will ensure that those who do not have easy internet access are not excluded from this process. So as I mentioned, Miami-Dade County is focused on directly calling the vulnerable, hard-to-reach seniors in county care to schedule appointments for them directly. And we are visiting homebound seniors directly to vaccinate them. We're arranging transportation for those who need it to access a vaccination site. And for those without computers or Wi-Fi at home, our libraries have both for free at locations throughout the county. So we are working with our state government, our hospitals, the Department of Health in Miami-Dade County, and we're activating as many vaccination sites as possible across the entire county to ensure that in all those neighborhoods there is easy access to a vaccine site nearby. So thank you once again to all of the wonderful leaders who are on the call today for your partnership on this effort, to the members of the media for your critical role in educating the public, communicating this information clearly to help those who are anxious understand that help is on the way, and to all the members of our community who are watching. We are here for you. We want to be sure you get the information that you need. So we are entering the final critical chapter in this fight against coronavirus, but we are not in the clear. We are not out of the woods yet. And the only way out of this is vaccinating as many people as possible, as fast as we possibly can. And we cannot let our guard down. I am fully committed to ensuring that the most vulnerable members of our community can access the vaccines as urgently as possible, and we will be working harder than ever to make this happen.